Top 5 Best Budget Noise-Canceling Headphones Under $100 in 2024. Welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for everything tech. Let's see which headphones made the cut. First up, the Anker Soundcore Life Q20. Best bang for your buck headphones. Just $60 with hybrid active noise cancellation. Silencing noisy neighbors or on a busy commute. 40 hours of playtime on a single charge. Surprisingly clear audio with powerful bass. Feel the energy of your music. Super comfortable for long periods. Plush ear cups and adjustable headband. An absolute steal for tight budgets. Next up, we have the Tautronic Sound Surge 46. These come in at around $70, and they punch way above their weight class. The active noise cancellation rivals more expensive models, and the bass is impressive. They're comfortable and lightweight, plus they fold up nicely for travel. With up to 30 hours of battery life, they're perfect for all-day use. Chapter 3, Mpow H12, Comfort and Clarity Under $50. Third on our list we have the Mpow H12. These headphones offer great sound and effective noise cancellation. They're incredibly lightweight and have plush ear cups. The Mpow H12s deliver clear audio with well-balanced mids and highs. You're also getting a built-in microphone for taking calls. With up to 45 hours of battery life, these headphones are perfect for long commutes or flights. The Mpow H12s are an excellent choice. Chapter 4, Sony DHCH 710N. Big brand features, small price tag. Looking for style and brand recognition without breaking the bank? Check out the Sony DHCH 710N. Under $100, these offer signature Sony sound and effective noise cancellation. The adaptive sound control adjusts noise cancellation based on your environment. They block out noise on public transportation impressively well. Plus, up to 35 hours of battery life. Chapter 5, JBL Tune 750 BTNC, bass that won't quit your budget. Last but not least, we have the JBL Tune 750 BTNC. These headphones come in at around $80. Bass lovers will appreciate the deep, resonant lows. The overall sound quality is impressive. They're easy to connect with Bluetooth 4.2. The foldable design is perfect for travel. Quick charging gives 2 hours of playtime with a 15-minute charge. Stylish, affordable, powerful bass, and effective noise cancellation. The final verdict: which budget noise-canceling headphones will you choose? So, there you have it, folks. 5 of the best budget-friendly noise-canceling headphones under $100 in 2024. Which of these headphones are you most excited to try out? Drop a comment below, and I'll make sure to check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.